So what you're looking here is the Ryobi vacuum. So mine one day just would not come on, and so I just decided to take it apart. And so what I found is that on this circuit board here, on the bottom of it, I'll zoom in, this connector on the backside right there had actually came loose. So it just one day it just stopped working, would not power on, wouldn't do anything. And so I finally decided to take it apart, and I found this connector was loose. So I plugged it back in, powered it on, and it's good to go. And so the one thing that I do want to mention is that you do have to pry this bottom. Once you get all the screws out, you have to pry all of this base off. And there's also a cover on the back side that you do have to remove, and that's it right there. So I'll put it all back together, and I'll leave that piece off so you can see it. Okay, so I've got the side panel back on, and make sure that you have to align this correctly. The port that goes into the bottom of the vacuum, so that needs to be lined up, and then you'll see that this piece is off right here, but that's it aligned. So this right here is the hidden screw. It's covered by this little piece right here, so this piece just actually pops out. It's a little hard to pop out. Be careful with this because there is quite a bit of tension on it, it seems like. So I'll throw this piece back on. I'll put the screw back in, I'll throw this piece back on, and you'll see how it goes on. Okay, so here's the panel back on. So be careful with these. I actually broke this side. There's little thin plastic clips on the corners here, but this whole assembly pops out. So the hidden screw here, the 3 on this face, there's it's hard to see here, let me turn on the light here, there's 2 right there. So you've got to be careful of the alignment of this piece, this piece, or not this piece, excuse me, but this piece, and then this, the Ryobi switch deal there. And that's basically it. All the other screws all come out pretty straightforward. Like I said, the only hidden one was this one back here, and then it all lined up. So I'm going to put this thing back together, and we should be good to go.